The Richminded price action indicator introducing to you. This is the wonders of this indicator. It's just doing wonders, it's just doing miracles. So it is just your time to take time and do this miracle. Take this chance to go with these miracles, because we are going to you are going to make something which is just very very big. This is what I have told you, and I will tell you every time. So as you can see, we are around 1000 USD from the balance of 700, and this is how we go. Right? Yeah, so make sure you see this way, and this is the way we work on this. I think you see the setup, and this is the result. So this is how we go always, and this is how we make everything comes in our profit, and by using a Richminded price action indicator, a brand new indicator which will help you to make money in accordance. My guys, this opportunity, it is an opportunity. It is you to use this opportunity, or if you don't want, that's up to you, but this is the opportunity, a price action. And when you have this, you will get a real and timed, a good sniper entry, which if you go with it smartly, by the smaller size and everything, you are going to make much amount of money. You're going to make much amount of money. So let me show you in the PC once again in the PC like this. Let me show you in the PC like this. I just want to show you like the PC like this one. As you can see, what is in the PC is what is here, and this is the indicator I told you. As you can see, price action indicator, Richminded price action indicator 2.03. Yeah, so this indicator is for you, and this is how it is working here, and this is how it is working here. So I just want to show you. The market is running faster, so but we are going to make so money. Okay, so this is how everything is just going here. As you can see, it's just telling you a take entry. It also gives you, let me show you like this. The indicator gives you the stop loss, gives you the take profit. As you can see, just giving you a take profit from the point, give you the entry. So this is how we do it, and we are making so much amount of money using this indicator. This is an opportunity to you. I just wanted to show you like this, but I've already shown you up to everything, but I just want you to show like the way you see in the phone and also in the PC. Everything is done with us. Yeah, my guys, we are here making it. Yeah, so I think let me close my trades now. Let me start closing my trades now, because enough is enough. Enough is enough, like that one. Let's just close slowly. Closing. And this is how we do, this is how we go always. This is how we go, this is how we do always. Yeah, this is how we go, this is how we do. But I don't want to follow to wait until take profit. I just take my profit immediately. Yeah, but if you like, you also can hold and take your profit like that one. So I'm done with this. If you come here, you see the profit for today we made like that one, 1100 and